It's MC Monty in the place to be. Welcome to the adventures of MC Monty. This month's theme, Mortal Kombat, and I'm creating my SubZero cosplay. Please hit that subscribe button and make sure you hit that bell so you get notified anytime I post a new video or tutorial. In this video, I'll be finishing my SubZero cosplay by completing the armor for my arms and my shins. Everything that you need to complete this build is listed in the description below. Check it out. Let's gather our supplies and let's get to it. I sketched out patterns for my forearm and my shin. Now I'm going to cut out my pattern. Trace your pattern onto EVA Foam. Cut it out. Trace your shin pattern. Now it's time to paint everything. Take your knife and cut a straight line at the end of the tape. Then tape off the center. Next, cut out the detail for your shin. Cut your shin detail out of 2mm EVA foam and paint it black. tape off your arm. Take the tape off your arm guard, and then glue this detail piece into place. Measure how much elastic you need to go around your wrist and around your forearm. Tape it into place for a temporary hold. Try it on to make sure it fits and to get the adjustments you need for the elastic. After you know it's gonna fit, trace where you need your elastic to go and glue it into place. And there you have it. Your SubZero cosplay is complete. I hope yours turned out great. If you like this video or any of my other tutorials, please like and subscribe. Make sure you hit that bell to get notified anytime I post a new video or tutorial. I hope you enjoyed following this series, and I'll see you next time. Always remember, adventure awaits. So get out into the world and explore.